Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to compute the present value of ordinary general annuities using a financial calculator. In this problem, we are to find the principal of a 30-year mortgage. So the principal of the mortgage is the principal of the loan, and we're looking for PV. The term of the mortgage is 30 years, so T is 30. The size of periodic payment is $980. That's our PMT. The payments are made at the end of each month. That end indicates that it is an ordinary annuity, not annuity due. The payments are monthly, therefore the number of payments per year, which is represented by PY, is 12. The nominal interest rate is 4.2%. This nominal interest rate is represented by IY, or interest rate per year. The interest is compounded semi-annually, and therefore the number of interest compounding periods per year is 2, which is our CY. So before entering the values, we need to clear the TVM worksheet. So we need to press second and FV to clear TVM. Now let's enter the number of payments per year and number of compounding periods per year. In order to do that, we need to go to PY CY worksheet by pressing second and then press I. PY represent the number of payments per year. In this case, the payments are monthly, and therefore that makes it 12 payments per year. So we type in 12 and then we press enter. So we use the down arrow key here to go to CY. Number of interest compounding periods per year is 2 because interest is compounded semi-annually. So we type in 2 and then we press enter. Now we need to exit the PY/CY worksheet. In order to do that, we press second and press CPT to activate quit. There you go. Now we enter the number of payments in the term, which is the product of PY and T. So PY in this case is 12 multiplied by 30 years. That makes it 360 payments. So we type in 360 and then we press end. Now you see this equal sign, it means that 360 is stored in N key. Then we press clear and then we enter the interest rate. Interest rate is 4.2. No need to enter the percent symbol or convert this to decimal, only the rate itself. Then we press I, we clear, and then we input the size of periodic payment, which is $980. We type in 980. Now in loans, the payments are considered cash outflow and then should be entered as a negative number. So we change the sign with the sign key here to negative, and then we press PMT. We press clear, and finally we get to computing the present value. In order to do that, we press CPT key or compute button, and then we press PV. As you can see, present value is given as a positive number, which indicates it's a cash inflow or money received, which is the case for loans. Now, if we are to round off this number to nearest cents, then the amount of loan will be $201,272.66.